Hey everyone, welcome back. I just want to give you a quick update on one of the little projects I'm working on here for the cleat wall. So what I'm wanting to do is take these two battery chargers and put them up on the wall, right where that power strip is. Now the problem is this cord for the power strip was going to be in the way. I thought about mounting the power strip to the board with the power adapters, but if I want to move the board around or make any changes, then I'm always removing my power strip. So I just mounted it straight to the cleat wall. That way it's always here. And what I'm going to do is use a piece of plywood to mount my chargers to. I mounted a spacer strip to a couple of these cleats. That's going to allow me to take my cleat, slide it up on the wall, and then that gives me plenty of space for that cord to sit behind my backer board. So let me get these chargers mounted to my piece of plywood and we'll see how it looks.